Hey, Sarah15 here, and oh my god, this is gonna be the unlikely of most rants of all time. This is not a rant here, this is actually a red card announcement. And we have 4 Skype guests, and they include, VS Gamer 99.
Hey, you two.
Tom Productions.
What tonight? I'm in a video.
Tyler Charles 2 is back.
Hey guys.
And Devaney Troy.
This is something we just absolutely have to do. We have to drop everything, and we have to do this because after, I don't really do red cards we don't really do red cards very often, but
we cannot stay silent.
So you know what? We're doing it.
And give out the red card topic.
4 words. Logan, Bubbly, Wheezer, Rock.
Hey, just fan Tom.
Oh!
Anyone that still has him on Skype, block him immediately.
Yep, he's very well known as VJust Fantown 4 on Skype.
And then tell the reason why he's gonna get red carded.
He is gonna get red carded. I'll give out the reason why. What he's recently done is he has blocked Pepsi 9072 just for not answering his calls.
That is an absolute red card.
Extreme red card, dang it!
I ever heard.
Also, one of the main reasons he's getting red carded is he's too impatient.
Absolutely. And guess what? He promised me he would never be impatient again. Well, of course that didn't happen. Oh my god, he lied to
the
me.
whole story.
Yeah,
Okay.
lie.
Well, I thought when I first talked to him, I thought he was gonna be like a nice guy, but then this, my god, he's been shoving glucose in my face and whatnot.
I agree. It's like, can you just do something else? I mean, seriously, come on.
And guess what? You're not gonna believe this, he bothered me too.
Hey guys, if it's okay, can we actually take turns, like, it's one of you guys, and then when they're done, give it to someone else, kind of like that?
Yeah,
Sure.
okay. Let's start with Tom. Tom Spill.
Yeah, since I am pretty good with this stuff. Well, let's say that I'm just saying I'm trying to let's say, annoy, some people like Pepsi 9072, you guys, Smash God 99 especially, Mr. J's 2000, and other stuff. And it's like he masturbates to those guys. No, seriously.
Sorry guys, hang on a second, but continue, Tomcat.
I'll come back. You guys continue.
Okay, so, can I go next?
Yes.
Okay, prepare. I have a lot to get out of my head.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Spit it out. Let's go.
Logan? What did you do that for? I thought I could trust you. I mean, come on. Listen, this is my channel. I do what I need. This is our channels. We do whatever
the hell
comfortable to us.
We do whatever the hell we want on this thing.
And if you don't like it, too bad. There's nothing you can really do about it. Is there?
Right. So you just
You
need
think
to...
you're gonna hack us? Oh, really? I can tell that's definitely a lie because he lies about everything else. He's a
Logan.
stalker. I consider him a liar, and I consider him he just doesn't really do anything.
Stalker, liar, irresponsible, immature, rude, selfish, and greedy.
Yes. He's
Oh,
all those things and then some. That's just a few things. There is so many other things. I mean, probably not everything could be mentioned in this video, but there's so many things he did that was not right. I mean, so many, countless things. Sorry,
Alright.
guys, I'm putting my red card for later. But anyways,
Yeah?
where to go? Okay. Another thing about Logan I noticed is he's impatient when we when we have to do something. Like, if we have to go, he's like, no. It's like, come on, really?
He's like the boss.
Is this elementary school?
Oh, that brought me up with
Even
something.
if any of us have to leave the house, it's always.
Yes, he doesn't listen.
Do not remind me about what happened on Google Hangouts with him.
I mean, I understand he's just 12 years old, but come on, really? Is this
Sweet word.
mature?
Act your age.
I mean, my sister probably is more mature than him. And my sister's younger than him.
Yep. That pretty much sums it up. Also,
Stuff in a nutshell.
yeah, this is him in a nutshell, basically.
Yeah.
Aaron, you got anything to say?
Okay, I never knew this about this whole thing happening until I actually got to my Skype, and I noticed like a lot of notifications, and then he just really just like, I don't know, like Tyler telling him to get out. So I basically follow him, but when I realized of like what happened to him, like block Pepsi 907, whatever his name is,
907-2?
look, I just don't understand I just don't understand what was wrong with you. Like, seriously. Like, what were you thinking? Like, I'm just so... Like, you're just not sure it's Tyler's sister. Hi, Duncan. We were doing a rant on Logan. Yeah, I didn't really feel like being in that rant, so I thought I was doing something else. By the way, well... Okay, so let me finish.
And we got a new Skype guest, Duncan Burden.
Yeah. Guys, let Beach Gamer 99 continue, please. Thank you.
Okay. So basically, I didn't notice this until I got to Skype. So Logan, I don't know what you did, but what were you thinking? That's all I need to say. Just
And
Logan?
can I continue?
Yeah, go ahead.
So wait, before you do so, do not say, "Can I do this?" Just, it's kind of you're acting like you know who, okay? Yeah. Sorry, putting the camera on me.
And not only that, he acts like he's the boss of everyone. He is absolutely not. In fact, I got so mad at him that I actually literally deleted my Least Favorite Movies videos. So I'm going to be redoing them with different Skype guests. He will not be welcome to it. Because of the card he is now on.
Tyler,
Yeah?
I'll do that when this red card's done.
Okay. So, Sam, you put the camera on me?
Yeah.
So, one thing I need to say to Logan is, Logan, you get the orange shield and the middle. And then,
A freaking read. A freaking read.
I will explain. Okay, Logan deserves Pamper's website to wear them at least. Home of the...
Oh, guys.
The hedgehog microwave, my deck, and everyone's dead copies of every tape.
Such
Hey
as...
guys, this is his brand new car.
Alright, let me show it to the camera.
For me and all my buddies.
Okay, focus. I'm trying to get it to focus and it won't. Okay, Tyler, go again with your red card.
Here it is. This is what you get. Don't even come back. And guess what? We're not forgiving you next year. We're not forgiving you in 10 years from now. We're not forgiving you freaking 30 years from now.
Ever! Not until you freaking die, Logan. And know what, Logan? You deserve to burn in hot hell.
Because what you did was beyond what I could take.
One thing worse, Panasonic inverter microwave. You know what? How about I stuff him in the Panasonic microwave to see how he likes it?
He'll love it, probably.
Shove him in there. Just shove him in there.
Oh my, that would burn to Vinny's house. Because he is the unfortunate soul to have the Panasonic inverter microwave. Not to get off topic.
Yep.
Vinny, got anything to say about Logan?
He kept trying to stuff food cart in my face all because I had to leave the house like always doing today.
Does he even read the statuses?
And not
What?
only that, let me tell you guys something.
Earth Logan.
Guys, can I speak, please? Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. And I'm like the boss.
Whoa. Okay, go.
Alright, what I was saying is, he thinks he's the boss of everyone. He thinks, when he needs to call me, he thinks that we can answer, and all that. He even said he's gonna hack us if we don't. Really? That is immature, that's hypocritical,
You ain't one of
stupid,
us, buddy.
illogical,
I'm not giving him
and
my
that's
password
downright
ever.
Stupid.
I'm not giving him my password ever, guys. Do not give him your.
Me either.
Do not give him your password. Just
Dummies that.
just for safety reasons.
Exactly, who would say that?
Do not give him your password.
Yeah, do not, because guess what? He will do some serious crap to your stuff.
You will be screwed if you give
tried
him
to
your
hack me, oh
password.
my god. I'd probably phone the police, honestly. The California Police Department.
I get a new Skype and phone the police and have him executed.
May God have mercy on his soul.
Not. He deserves it.
Because the way he's been disrespectful to my friends, no, he is done. He is finished.
Oh, frick yes, he is so done.
He shouldn't even think about, again, coming back.
Oh, right.
Not even in 30 years from now will we want to hear about him again.
Obviously.
Oh, yeah, right. Oh, wait.
And he says he's going to go and make ground videos on me. Well, go ahead, you go-fag.
To be honest, go back terms getting really old.
I know, but you know
To be
what?
honest, Go Anime is extreme old now.
Yeah, I'm just saying, yeah. But listen, that's not really my point. What I'm saying here is, he's planning to do red card videos. I mean, I don't care, guys. They don't mean nothing about me. Just ignore that. I have plenty of subscribers already. I have, almost 1,700. And that's not going to bring me down in the
Wait. How many do you have again?
Let me check at the moment. Hang on.
I think it might be near,
1,656.
I might be near,
I'm sorry, what, Tyler?
1,656.
Okay.
What? And yet Logan has a little bit more than Tyler?
I am way more popular than him. I've been on YouTube
Logan,
way longer.
frickin' F
I've
you.
worked way harder. I work literally almost every single day on my YouTube channel, making it great.
Logan.
Inspiring people. Coming
Logan.
up with fresh, new ideas.
Yeah.
Logan.
And as for me,
Every day. That's not an everyday thing. That's something a very, very few people in the world can do.
Logan, you need to freaking get off YouTube and learn how to use the internet properly.
He should not be on the YouTube at all or anywhere unless, I repeat, unless he proves us wrong. He just rocks that, and he just, he doesn't do, almost anything like that. Anything that he's been doing. I do not think that's going to happen. I think what's going to happen is, I think he's going to keep harassing us like we are freaking chimpanzees in a freaking Denver zoo!
Oh my.
Okay,
Come on!
guys, can we be calm here? Can we be calm? Don't overreact.
Sorry,
Alright.
it's just really is annoying me.
And with all that,
But
this
I'm
red
gonna say
card
this,
has
guys.
come to an end.
can you please try to calm yourself and not be the boss of us or whatever?
Yeah.
That's all I'm just gonna say.
Honestly, that's not really what bothers me. What bothers me is how he treats us, how he thinks he's the boss of us. It's you're not the boss of us. You are, I'm over 3 years older than him. I
And
should
I'm
not be treated like I'm 9 years old.
I'm 14.
I'm 4 years older than him. I'm
I'm-
17
I'm 2 years older than him. I'm 15. I'm 14.
I'm 15.
And I've been on YouTube for more than 2 years, and I have like over nearly 1,500 subscribers, and I'm already I'm about to be 18 in a month. I'm a senior.
And not only that, can I say something?
Yeah.
What I'm saying here is, guess what? I've been on YouTube since the end of 2009. I've been on YouTube this entire decade so far.
Again, stop overreacting.
Sorry, it's just, I really need him to understand. I've been on YouTube since 2009.
I've been on YouTube since like January 2012.
And I've been
since almost January 2010.
Well,
I've been on
let me put it this way. I may have been online probably since my entire life. Me too. I've been on.
Me as well.
I can remember the very first website I've been on.
What?
WarnerBrothers.com. And I can remember the movie they really promoted hard from that website. You want to know what movie that is?
Go ahead.
Woman.
Wait, what?
Remember they were promoting this.
Good point, Duncan.
Wait, what movie again?
Cat.
Yeah.
I will get. Now you gotta talk about. I will get the VHS of that.
I already have the VHS copies of Cat in the Hat, and I do respect your opinion on Cat in the Hat.
And welcome to chat.
Alright.
Let me see.
Okay. Welcome to Elizabeth Peppers.
Oh, let me give it to you.
That's what he deserves. That's what he
And if
deserves.
you make those terrible crying videos at me, I don't give a crap. In fact, I'd probably actually laugh and make fun of it with my friends. And guess what? It might be taken down permanently. You know that? I'll get all my friends to dislike the living hell out of it.
Ha!
Oh, wait,
That's gonna happen.
Not in the show.
What?
Look, Logan's doing something right now.
Oh crap, what is he doing?
It's because we all know it's.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Not!
Yep.
Well, I would love to...
See, this is proof.
Well, I would love to go on, but with all that, this red card has come to an end. We will see you next time, and have a good day, folks.